The 21st century has witnessed an unprecedented acceleration of technological progress. At the heart of this revolution lies artificial intelligence, a force that promises to reshape our world in profound ways. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI offers tantalizing glimpses into a future where many of humanity's challenges are solved. Yet this technological leap is not without its shadows. As we race towards an AI-driven future, we must also confront the potential perils that accompany this transformative technology. AI's ability to learn, adapt, and even surpass human capabilities in certain domains raises fundamental questions about the future of work, the ethics of intelligent machines, and the very survival of our species. The decisions we make today will determine whether AI fulfills its promise as a tool for good or becomes a force that undermines our values and threatens our existence. This essay will explore the potential dangers of AI and robotics, examining their impact on our economy, ethics, security, and ultimately our future. The rapid pace of AI development has left many feeling both excited and uneasy. It is essential that we approach this new era with both optimism and caution, embracing AI's potential while actively mitigating its risks. The future of humanity may depend on our ability to navigate this complex landscape wisely. One of the most immediate concerns surrounding AI is its potential to disrupt the job market. As AI systems become increasingly sophisticated, they are beginning to automate tasks once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. From manufacturing and transportation to customer service and financial analysis, AI is poised to reshape industries across the board. While some argue that AI will create new jobs and boost productivity, others fear that it will lead to widespread unemployment and social unrest. The fear of technological unemployment is not new. Throughout history, technological advancements have often displaced workers in the short term. However, these periods of disruption have generally been followed by the creation of new industries and job opportunities. The key question is whether this time is different. Will AI's impact on the job market be more akin to previous technological revolutions, or will it mark a fundamental shift in the relationship between humans and work? The answer likely lies somewhere in between. While AI will undoubtedly automate many existing jobs, it will also create new opportunities in areas such as AI development, data science, and AI-related services. The challenge for individuals, governments, and educational institutions will be to adapt to this changing landscape by fostering skills that are complementary to AI and preparing workers for the jobs of the future. Beyond its economic implications, AI also raises profound ethical questions. As AI systems are increasingly entrusted with making decisions that affect our lives, it is crucial to ensure that these systems are fair, unbiased, and aligned with our values. However, AI is not inherently neutral. The algorithms that power AI are often trained on massive data sets that can reflect and amplify existing societal biases. For example, facial recognition systems trained on data sets predominantly composed of white faces have been shown to be less accurate at identifying people of color. Similarly, AI systems used in hiring, lending, and even criminal justice have the potential to perpetuate and even exacerbate existing inequalities if they are not developed and deployed responsibly. Addressing these biases is essential to ensure that AI benefits all members of society, rather than further marginalizing already disadvantaged groups. The ethical challenges posed by AI extend beyond bias. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they raise fundamental questions about responsibility and accountability. If an AI system makes a mistake, who is responsible? How do we ensure that AI systems are used in a way that respects human rights and values? These are complex questions with no easy answers, but they are questions that we must grapple with as we integrate AI into our lives. Section 4. The Privacy Paradox. Navigating the data-driven world of AI. AI's insatiable appetite for data is another source of concern. From our online browsing habits to our physical movements tracked by smartphones and smart devices, we are generating an unprecedented amount of data about ourselves. This data is the lifeblood of AI, enabling it to learn, adapt, and improve. However, it also raises significant privacy concerns. The collection and use of personal data by AI systems raise questions about consent, transparency, and control. How much data is too much? Who owns our data? And how can we ensure that it is used responsibly? The Cambridge Analytica scandal, in which personal data from millions of Facebook users was harvested and used to target political advertising, serves as a stark reminder of the potential for data misuse in the age of AI. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it is crucial that we establish clear guidelines and regulations for data collection, storage, and use. Individuals should have greater control over their own data, and companies should be held accountable for using data responsibly and ethically. Finding the right balance between innovation and privacy will be essential to building a future where AI serves humanity without eroding our fundamental rights. Section 5. Weaponizing Intelligence. AI and the future of warfare. Perhaps the most alarming potential consequence of AI is its application in warfare. The development of autonomous weapon systems capable of selecting and engaging targets without human intervention raises profound ethical and security concerns. Proponents of autonomous weapons argue that they could reduce civilian casualties by making more precise and calculated decisions on the battlefield. However, critics warn that these weapons could lower the threshold for conflict, lead to arms races, and potentially fall into the wrong hands. The prospect of machines making life and death decisions on the battlefield raises deeply unsettling questions about human control, accountability, and the very nature of war. The development and deployment of autonomous weapon systems could have unintended consequences, leading to unforeseen escalations and potentially destabilizing effects on global security. The international community must engage in urgent dialogue and establish clear norms and regulations to prevent the weaponization of AI and ensure that human judgment remains at the heart of warfare. The potential for AI to revolutionize warfare is undeniable. However, it is a revolution that we must approach with extreme caution. The stakes are simply too high to allow the development of autonomous weapon systems to proceed unchecked. The future of humanity may depend on our ability to prevent a future where machines decide the fate of nations.